morning, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Hope you guys doing great. And let's begin. I got a couple of big cash. There's ticket 36 and 37. And we'll begin with the Texas boxing trucks. We got ticket 63 to 66. All right, guys. Hopefully we can make this a profit session. Here we go. Up here we got two matching mounts, win the bonus. Down here we're gonna look for a Chevrolet symbol or the steering wheel for double. All right, ticket 63. All right, let's find that symbol. You guys are doing great, staying safe out there. Last row, and I don't think we have a symbol. All right, let's find a match. All right, 20. There's a 21. Close enough. 13. We got a 14. 41. 41, guys. 42. And the last one, 50. No, nothing, guys. All right, we're gonna have to say we can scan it later for a second chance drawing. All right, let's move on with ticket 64. Get a 5 and a 5. All right, so we're not having a bust. That's always good news. All right, can we find anything else? All right, we got a steering wheel. That's win double. All right, let's keep these wheels rolling. Anything else on the Texas boxing trucks? Okay, let's find a match, guys. All right, we got 3. Okay, we got matching 3s here. All right, I'll get this marked. All right, matching 3s. How about 23? We got matching 23s there. Okay, mark it down. 23s. Next one. 32. There's a 32 right there on top. Okay, right there. Anything else? 45. Yes, indeed, 45 with 23 and 3s. All right, and the last one, guys. We have a 43, and look, they almost look like twins. All brothers. That's funny. All right, 43, 43. All right. All right, guys. So that's what we got. Let's find out. So up here we got the 5. Let's start with 3. Oh, let's start with the steering wheel to win double. All right, we got 20. Now on the 3s. 20. I'm sorry, that's 30, 35, 23, 40, and 45 is 45, and a 43, guys, for a nice $50 win. Wow, guys, that's awesome. Ticket 64, very, very good. Okay, we're in the profit zone for sure. Let's move on. Ticket 65. Can we go back to back? Let's do the bonus. Nothing on the bonus. Texas Boxing Truck, save the session, guys. That's always good. All right. Let's find a match. 48. Okay, we got a 49 right there. 26. 33. 38. And 42 on the last one. Nope. Don't have anything. All right. Now we got the last one. Last ticket, 66. Okay, nothing on the bonus. All right. And we don't have no symbols. All right, let's find a match. 3. Matching threes. No. What about 43? There's a 42. Number 2. We got a 1. Nope. 31. Don't have nothing. All right, the last one. 15, guys. We got a 14 there. We're missing 15s. All right, nothing on ticket 66. All right, let's do the big cash. Is ticket 36. Up on top, we got the fast win. Find 2 matching price amounts. Win that fast win. And down here, we got the 5x and 10x symbol. All right, my friends. Let's start on top with the fast win. 430. We got the 50 and a 10. We got the 400 and a 50. Okay, nothing on the fast win bonus. All right, let's find a match. Let's look for that symbol, the 5x. I haven't found, I think, a 5x or 10x on these tickets yet. Last row. All right, guys, nothing. Let's find a match. 20. Is there a 20 anywhere? Nope. 35. 35. 23. There's a 22. 25. Nope. How about 11? I don't see 11. And 21. Do we have 21 somewhere? Nope. There's 22. Okay, let's try our next ticket, guys. Oh, sorry about that. All right. Next ticket, 37. Here we go. Fast win. We got a 20. For 30, we got a 50. Nope. 100. And a 400. We got a 20. And a 10. Okay. Let's find that symbol. Multiplying symbol. That'll be awesome. Last row. And nope, no symbol, guys. All right, let's find a match. 19. There's a 19 match. All right, guys. Let's mark it. 19. Okay. Anything else? 24. Do we have a 24? 23 right there. Nope. Okay. How about 7? There's a 7 match. All right. 7 match right there. 4. Do we have a 4? Nope. Okay, 40. Is there a 40 somewhere? There's a 39. No, we have no 40s. All right, 28. Do we have a 28? No, guys. All we got, there's a 29 right there, but no. All we got is 19 and a 7. All right, let's find out what we got. All right, under 19, we got a 10. And on 7, we got another 10 for $20, guys. Wow, that's awesome. So we're in the profit zone. There's a 50 and 20 on the big cash for $70 in total. Thank you guys for watching. Good luck on this ticket, guys. God bless. Be safe out there. Please like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.